In a new post on X, Miles Deutscher, a noted crypto analyst with over 500,000 followers, has proclaimed the current market condition as one of the most bullish setups he has seen in his 6-year career in the crypto industry. Deutscher outlined 10 pivotal catalysts that he believes are primed to drive the cryptocurrency markets higher in the near term. There's been a lot of talk recently about headwinds, German selling, GOX, macro, etc. But the reality is there's a lot to look forward to. Deutscher emphasized, and number one, German government leading BTC sales. Deutscher notes that the German government has exhausted its BTC reserves to sell, which removes a significant selling pressure on the market. The best thing about overhang is that once selling is priced into the market, there's a floor on downside and headroom for price to move higher. We still have GOX, but there's no light at the end of the tunnel, he explained. And number two, Bitcoin ETF inflows. According to Deutscher, the strong inflows into Bitcoin ETFs are underappreciated. Over the past month, these ETFs have seen inflows exceeding $1 billion investor interest. I think many people are underestimating the magnitude of the long-term impact of the ETFs on BTC. It provides a strong passive bid for the market, and the appetite for the ETF isn't going away. We've had a public $1 billion this past month, and just Deutscher added. In every 3 U.S. presidential election, the crypto analyst pointed out betting markets like Polymarket, where Trump is favored to win. The Trump presidency is viewed as a positive catalyst for the crypto, given his administration's perceived support for the industry. And number 4, Trump advocacy at BTC 2024 conference. Deutscher also highlighted Trump's scheduled appearance at the BTC 2024 conference, where he's expected to advocate for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies more broadly. Rumors have it that Trump could make another major announcement. Bitcoin Magazine CEO David Bailey has floated the idea of making BTC a strategic reserve asset for the United States. And number 5, FTX repayments. The repayment of $16 million to creditors by FTX is the less discussed but crucial factor. Many of these recipients will likely re-enter the market, leading to a fresh bid, or Deutscher predicts, suggesting a potential increase in buying activity in the crypto markets. And 6, global liquidity cycle. Deutscher also mentioned the correlation between global liquidity and crypto prices. It's crazy how correlated crypto, especially BTC, is to global liquidity. Interestingly, we were closely following a 65-month cycle. This would suggest a late 2025 peak, Deutscher predicted. And number 7, this is another major catalyst. This marks the first time an altcoin to receive such an investment vehicle, or potentially expanding Ethereum's market exposure and investor base dramatically. And number 8, Goldman Sachs tokenization projects. Goldman Sachs' involvement in 3 tokenization projects lends significant credibility to the crypto space. This institutional endorsement is expected to benefit a wide array of altcoins and related real-world asset applications, including ranging for 01. Segget in 1901, 7. And 10 cutters, and Makis 46, $7 million, a 90% chance of a 25 basis point reduction in September. This could serve a massive tailwind. Number 10, forward-looking markets. Lastly, Deutscher emphasized the reflexive nature of crypto markets, where positive sentiment itself can trigger substantial rallies. Over the coming months, you're likely to see the market price in these tailwinds. As crypto is highly reflexive, a positive bid off the back of increased sentiment can in and of itself lead to a major rally. What the whole long? At press time, BTC traded at $65,648.